This is our salad weighing and packaging system. We are contingent of multi-head 5.5 liter sprayer. Also, we have the cup-filling index conveyor, and also we have the lentil detector. And now the salad weighing is very popular in the market. Compared to the traditional one, usually customer will weigh by hand. Mostly 3 persons can pack 15 packs boxes per day. Now, as the demand increases, we tend to use the automatic packaging weighing system. Now, let's follow me, and I will introduce you our multi-head weigher. This multi-header will applications on different types of lettuce, like vegetables, all kinds of different kinds of vegetables, such as lettuce, some spinach, or other different kinds of vegetables. So, during the production, this is our main top corn. It's rotatory type, and its speed and directions can be adjustable. And during the running process, the vegetables will be filling onto our main feeder, and then will be divided on our liner feeder. And our liner feeder is using 7.5 degrees or 15 degrees. And this liner feeder will be driven by our stronger vibrator. And the next step, our vegetables will be divided on our weighing hooker and the feeding hookers. And this is our 1.5 liters feeding hooker. It's a very large design, and it can contain different type of vegetables, even with a long size and a very large packaging. Also, during the production, there's the microcomputer to select the suitable bucket to reach our target weight. And then after the combination, our products will be filling into our tray. Also, behind our hooker, this is our stainless steel actuator. Compared to the traditional aluminum ones, this is more durable and and waterproof. We're using is full stainless steel 304, and it keeps the hygienic and durable production during the production. Our weigher is using our latest program, is 4G Plus system. Also, our system is 3D manual and easy to operate, and it's modular design. All the parameters can be adjusted here. Also, we have the PC online, USB data, and the data transformer.
And last one weigher is the salad weigher. It is 5.5 liter hoppers. This is a detacher. Detacher.
If you place the order to us, we will have 1,000 USD discount.
如果你有
买到
如果你有兴趣的，可以联系我们。
for weighing typeries, marijuana flowers, and fine and small weight products.